Taxiing out.
If it can sit on its tail without flopping down, oh, Mike, that's what they're looking for. You know what you do?
Batteries, I gotta do one formation flight with you before I destroy
I
mine.
got plenty, don't worry. Don't worry. Take it off!
China cleared. Gear up.
Okay, fast low pass from the right.
Yours is way faster than mine. There's no way I could get mine to go that fast.
He's got an upgraded fan. Oh yeah, dude. Slow down the flap.
You don't need to. It's fine.
You're not totally used to yours yet either. Once you get used to it, you'll open it up a little more.
No, but it won't go. I'm telling you, because you can go vertical on that. I know it. I can tell what it's doing. It's just not sluggish.
I got a different fan. It's lighter.
Yours is definitely got more oomph.
Alright, Ray, are you gonna land anytime soon?
No, go ahead, go up.
Alright.
Yeah, mine's about 200 grams lighter than stock. What the hell's up with that motor? Okay guys, I'm going over you before you take off. That's bad timing.
Alright, take it off.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I'm gonna do one behind you.
30 seconds.
No, stop. I put a lot of cycles on my pack, so that's.
Well, whoever the Mavic is, chill.
10, 9, 8,
Okay, I've got to come in from the right.
6, 5,
Yeah, Ryan, see,
4,
this is easy to fuck
3,
with.
2,
Look at that!
1. Time expired. Gear down.
Ray, watch for Cuzzo.
I see him, I see him. I just... Okay, thank you.
See, Ryan, listen.
Landing flaps.
And I told Zach about it, and he worked on it a little bit. As far as what part of the street style thing.
Braking.
Okay, I give you an A- on
No, that was a C+.
No,
That was bad. That was
great.
bad. I hit sync. It sunk. It flopped out of nowhere.
That was great.
Normally I grease it. That was not a greaser. Runway clear.